Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. Where is the product? Here is the product. Product comes from Cable Times. One is a card reader and second one is a magnetic cable. I'm purchasing this magnetic cable specially for my MacBook and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is the smallest card reader. Why I'm purchasing this card reader? Previously I have this card reader. This card reader is it's little big and it's not handy to carry this card reader. Here just only USB-C port is available, but if you purchase this card reader, here the USB-A and C port is also available. You should use this card reader very easily in your iPhone, Android phone and Windows laptop as well. So we will see unboxing of this product as well as this magnetic cable unboxing and what is the features we will see. I'm purchasing both two products from this website. Website is cabletimetech.com. They are delivered from overall the world. I'm based on Denmark. Still I'm receiving the product. Here how many product they are selling: USB cable, audio and video, adapter and much more product they are providing here. Which product you want, like accordingly you decide and order from this website. If you purchase the product around, accordingly you decide I'm order this product. The product price is $17. If I order over greater than $20, so you can receive free of cost, no shipping charges included of your order. So this is a platform you should come here and purchase which product you want purchase. Now we can do unboxing, and which types of product we are receiving. Let's check it out. So look at this. Here is our product. Firstly I open here in the card reader. Inside the box one of magic booklet. Here the like keychain types wire they are providing, and here is our product. That's it. Look at this. It's very compact, lightweight and amazing quality of product. You should connect here directly on A type cable and transfer your data. Put it here, the two types of memory card we can open here, and boom. If you have Windows laptop, so you should use this one. Put it here, your memory card. And if you have Mac, so you should use like this and attach. Here is my Mac and boom. It's very easy and compact. You can very easily transfer the data. This is a memory card and I just simply put it here like this, attach here, and let's see, and boom, my memory card is showing here. Look at this. Here is the GoPro memory card and data is very easily showing here. Using this card reader, it's very nice, amazing product and very compact. You can very easily fix this one and use in your pocket as well. That one is really compact, the product one. Now we can open here the magnetic cable. Look at this guys, the quality of the product, the quality of the cable, it's fabulous, it's amazing. And especially 480 MB per second speed, and volt is around 240 volt. If you have MacBook, so this MacBook requires just only 96, so you should use this cable for your MacBook as well. Why I am purchasing this one? Because of, look at this here, my MacBook cable is damaged here and this one is little bigger, so that's why I'm purchasing this one. Here I put it here, and after that I can very easily connect here on my MacBook, and charging is a start. One of the important point come here. I ordered this cable just only 1 meter. I can very easily connect on my Mac and charge. Even I have in iPhone, so same cable I should use on my iPhone as well. It's very compact and lightweight. If you really like this unboxing and review related on magnetic cable and card reader, where do you purchase? Link is available on video description. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.